Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2017 67 registered BMW 420 diesel M-Sport convertible. This is the automatic transmission. The car's finished in the Estoril Blue Metallic, which is only available in the M-Sport series of cars. Now the car's sat on the 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels and they're in absolute lovely order. The air breather is finished in black, and then the paintwork on the car is in lovely, fantastic order. Very, very nicely finished as well. A testament to the previous keeper's care. Very, very minimal stone chipping on it. Touched a couple, but very, very lightly. This is going in our showroom, so please come and check it out. The wheels are all in absolutely great condition and they're riding on Continental tyres. When you look down the sides of the car there, that is free from trolley dent. Down either side, the panels are all in absolutely gorgeous high gloss finish, as you can see. Now this has gone through our detailing department. It's had a 3-stage machine polish, so the paintwork is as good as we could get it. As I say, all the wheels are in wonderful condition. Now when it goes into the workshop, we take the wheels off, we'll wash them inside out, polish them, and then we'll also detail the calipers and detail the discs. Coming round to the rear, you see that we've got the parking sensors, we've got the 420 diesel, the roof's down, and that folds away into the boot nicely. Then you get this space in the boot once the roof's down. You get a huge boot basically once the roof's up, but we want the sunshine, don't we? So we get the roof off and it looks wonderful. Just look at the sunlight in the paint. Gorgeous. Estoril Blue has got to be the best colour for a BMW M-Sport. 4 matching tyres. But again, looking down the driver's side, it's absolutely free from any parking knot whatsoever. Can you see yourself in this? Absolutely brilliant cars these. They're capable of over 60 miles to the gallon. So 165 pounds to tax them, 187 brake horsepower with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. What more can I say? Now inside we've got the Estoril Blue interior detail and the hexagonal aluminium. This one's got the extra of power folding, anti-auto dimming exterior mirrors. The driver's seat is electric memory and also heated. Automatic headlamps, and as we look around that cabin you can see it's in wonderful, wonderful condition. A real testament to the previous keeper's care. A lovely, lovely, lovely car. Now I'll jump in the car and I'll start her up there, foot on the brake. I've got 2 keys in my pocket. Starts up there, service due in 6,000 miles or January 24, 37,140 miles. Just wants a bit of fueling, but as you can see, no warning lights other than that. Heated seats, digital climate control, air conditioning, CD player, Bluetooth music streaming as well. We've got the media there, communication, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone. We've got various driving modes, the Sport, Eco Pro mode, automatic gearbox. Everything's in the glove box there. All the service documentation is all detailed also on our website. Now I don't smoke and I can tell the last keeper was not a smoker of this car. It smells fresh and new even though the roof's off. Just to put the roof up is this button here. I press that down there and then if by magic the roof will come up. The Estoril Blue trim flows through the dashboard and then you can see we've got then the hexagonal trim detail all the way through. Carpets have got a full set of tailored BMW mats. Paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter, and then voice activation, and then also you can see the paddles are all there as well. Now just as a jump out, as I've just been doing the video there, I put the roof up so you can see the roof there. That is a lovely roof. We've got privacy glass in the rear of that one, as you can see. But what a lovely car, ready for the summer. So remember, when the top comes off, the price goes up in convertible world, because everybody loves to drive a convertible. Nice thing about BMW is that's a steel roof, so all weathers, one of those cars is ideal. You've got a coupe in the winter and a convertible in the summer. LED high beam headlamps, very, very nice indeed. M-Sport, automatic gearbox, black leather interior. It's a yes from me. So if you'd like any more info, I'm Graham, we've got Lee and we've got Dominic on sales. We're the Alpha team. Check out our reviews. Our cars come highly prepared, they're all guaranteed, they're all serviced and MOT'd if required, they're all HPI clear. We're a family business, have been doing this now for over 40 years here in Wigan. 40 years, I hear you say. Have a look at our reviews, let customers tell you what their service they've received from us this week, and then this is what you'll get when you arrive too. If you want to reserve it, so you only need to come to Wigan once, give us a call, we'll tell you how to do that. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.